Science and business unite in the name of environmental stewardship. Sa isang advokasya na gawing prioridad at palaganapin ng sustainability, nagsanib puwersa ang SM at DOST para sa Sustainability Expo 2025. Ang sustainability, hindi raw dapat option kundi isang necessity at responsibilidad ng bawat business. Dahil dito, nag-collab ang SM at DOST para sa isang Sustainability Expo na tampok ang iba't ibang sustainable innovations. Gaya ng latest technology, mga produkto at proseso na may focus sa waste management, water conservation, energy efficiency at iba pa. Para sa SM Prime Holdings, ang sustainability ay hindi lamang parte ng isang strategy, ito mismo ang strategy.
A milestone that challenges us to look beyond growth and measure success not just by what we build, but by what we sustain and preserve. And Sustainability Expo puts this strategy into motion by building partnership, driving innovations, and scaling real solutions.
Pinuri naman ni DOST Secretary Renato Solidum Jr. ang patuloy na pagiging mabuting ehemplo ng SM sa iba pang private sector na nagpapakita ng kahalagahan ng partisipasyon at initiatives patungo sa greener future.
The key to bridging sustainability and business is innovation. Technology helps us use resources more efficiently and adapt to shocks. Business model innovation brings us closer to the circular economy where nothing is wasted.
Pinag-usapan din sa Expo ang iba't ibang hamon na kinakaharap ng mga business hindi lang sa bansa, ngunit sa buong mundo. Present din ang kanilang international partners upang suportahan ang SUSTEX 2025. Isa dito ang European Union's delegation to the Philippines.
We have to get better every year. We need to continue in the interplay of research, science, innovation, the knowledge of the private sector, the lessons learned from the private sector, and, sorry to say, the funding of the private sector. But otherwise, we will not be able to tackle the challenge.
Paglilinaw naman ng SM, hindi matatapos sa Sustainability Expo ang kanilang hakbangin at efforts. Sa paghahanap ng sustainable options, katunayan, matagal na daw nila itong ginagawa.
SM was the first company in the Philippines to install EV chargers across our malls, no? From Luzon all the way down to Mindanao. Why did we do that? It's mind setting. No, nowadays, we have several of them, it's not even enough. Somebody has to start it. And I believe that it is the big company's responsibility, not just role.
Sa huli, iisa lamang ang kanilang mensahe.
Sustainability!
Mobile Journal Jasper Arespo, hatid ang muka ng balita.